VIDIZMO provides an ease to its customers by automating the configuration process via VIDIZMO Setup Wizard if you are configuring VIDIZMO Storage as your storage provider coupled with transcoding services using VIDIZMO On-Premise Encoder. Setup Wizard allows you to initially set up your portal's storage provider and transcoder for a seamless user experience throughout the application usage. It takes you through a series of easily configurable steps to help set up the system. Let's look at configuring VIDIZMO storage with VIDIZMO On-Premise Encoder using the Setup Wizard. Please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator or manager to configure VIDIZMO storage with VIDIZMO On-Premise Encoder using Setup Wizard in a portal. By the way, your previous content will remain intact and will be served from your pre-configured storage provider, unless you choose to migrate data. In the case of data migration, old content is purged based on the policy set in the portal. The number of servers in your on-premise deployment model depends on the redundancy options your organization needs to employ. As servers are deployed locally, you need to make sure you have configured VIDIZMO application locally on your web server. By the way, you can choose from multiple storing options such as SAN, UNC, or local drive. You need to manually configure and deploy the on-premise encoder on a dedicated machine. Content processing and encoding are hardware resource-consuming processes. A dedicated machine for this purpose improves the performance of the application more efficiently as compared to the processes that are running on the same server where the application is deployed. You also need to create CDN web application with the VIDIZMO website in IIS on the application server system. From the portal's homepage, click on the navigation menu from the top left of your screen and select Control Panel under Admin. From the left-hand side navigation pane in Control Panel, select Setup Wizard and click on Run Wizard again. VIDIZMO provides a set of default configuration for your storage and transcoding provider that can be overridden via Setup Wizard due to evolving business requirements. Furthermore, apart from the possible configurations, VIDIZMO also offers the flexibility of choosing any other storage providers or transcoders that the organization may want to configure their application with. From the Configuration tab, select VIDIZMO to configure it as your VIDIZMO storage for your system, from a list of available options in the drop-down menu. Select VIDIZMO On-Premise Encoder to configure it as your encoder for your system, from a list of available options in the drop-down menu. Once you're done, click Next to proceed. From the Storage tab, provide the local CDN path configured for content storage and delivery in an on-premise deployment of your application. Check or uncheck Migrate content as per your priority. This is used to migrate data from your previous storage provider to one you have configured. Once you're done, click Done to run the Setup Wizard and a notification will appear briefly stating, Setup Wizard started successfully. You can track the progress of the Setup Wizard for storage and transcoder configuration via workflows in the Control Panel. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.